There are many reasons why you want your own URL shortener, but today I will show you one that happens quite often. Those in affiliate marketing will understand better than anyone what I'm talking about. Yesterday I got an email from Gelato announcing they are moving their affiliate partner program from Impact to Partner Stack. Long story short, all Gelato affiliate links you shared around the web will not work for you anymore. See, this is the old affiliate link you shared everywhere, and this is the new one. The old one will not work for you anymore and you want to replace it with the new one everywhere you shared it, your blog, YouTube, other social platforms, and God forbid in some guest article you wrote for another platform. What happens when a regular affiliate marketer gets such a letter? What happens when I get such a letter? What did I just do? So, I have my own URL shortener platform. When I share my affiliate links, I shorten them first and share that shortened link instead of the original one. That way, when I need to change the destination link just like in this case with Gelato, all I have to do is change the destination link in one place. Cool, right? And actually, you can have your own URL shortener too. On Merch Arts you can buy one. If you have minimum techie skills, you don't have to pay $325 or even $270. Scroll down to the do-it-yourself part and get the script. It will cost you $60. Domain and hosting, depending on the company you will buy them from, will cost you up to $40 a year. If you want it fully done for you, for $325 you can buy a turnkey option with the domain renewed for 1 year and 1 year prepaid hosting. For $270, the platform can be installed on your domain and hosting. That's all for today, folks. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.